guys, welcome back. Welcome to the video. It's time to remove the engine, and after the engine's out, I'm going to take the suspension and all the brakes and everything and mount them in the Caddy. I also have to do some minor modifications to the black panel over here. I need to drill a hole for a hydraulic clutch and for some AC lines, because the goal is to have AC in the Caddy also. So everything the Cooper has will go into the Caddy, so follow along. So guys, the engine is out. It was a struggle. Definitely forgot some stuff. So at the end I forgot the coolant hoses for the heater core, and I forgot the plug for the mass airflow sensor. But it's out, it's done. So figured out the best way to continue is to take out both dashboards. They're just in the way, and to properly mount all this stuff in the Caddy, it's easier. So I'm not sure how good I can video this stuff, so we'll see what happens next. the AC box out. The Cupra has some extra holes for the AC lines and for the condensed water drain, so I'm gonna have to create those in the caddy. So I marked where I need to cut, and this is where I need to drill the hole. I got the booster out and the master cylinder. I took out a small bracket behind the firewall here, and now I'm gonna make a hole here for the hydraulic clutch. I'm just gonna sandwich this guy behind it, and the firewall is done. Guys, the engine is in finally. I was hoping to finish this video sooner, but I had some personal problems and there was a bunch of work, so I didn't make my goal of one video a week, but it is what it is. I had some trouble here with the front subframe, doesn't fit, so I mounted the original Caddy one, but that gave me some clearance issue with the steering pump and the secondary air intake pump. So I have to do some modifications, but it's gonna be in the next video. Got some questions about the color. Some people say it's pink, but it's in real life it's purple. It's purple violet. It's a RAL 4007 if you're interested. I really like the color. The goal is to paint the whole caddy with it, so we'll see how that turns out. Never did that, so we'll see. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching.